Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So markets were really kind enough today. Actually, it was not too much of volatility, kind of volatility. So it was swinging around 150 points. That is the maximum it was swinging, and US futures are all in the green. We'll talk about that later. And this is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was very interesting. In spite of all this happening, markets were what happened. 18,200, it went all the way to 18,000, then 18,200, again it came back to 18,200 levels. I'm talking about Nifty, and this is not much volatility, right? Just 200 points. If you can't manage even 200 points, what is the meaning of what's the point in being a option seller? And Nifty is being the same level. It started around 41,800, came all the way to 41,400, and it went to 41,800. So 400 points swing in Bank Nifty, right? So these are all the common things, or these are all the things which you know, right? Now what is going to happen going forward? I think we have talked about this already. I was a bear and I was having a bearish stance. I used to always say that markets are likely to go down, but opposite is happening. Really, we don't know the reason. In spite of inflation, in spite of Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate, and in spite of all this chaos, Russia-Ukraine issue, China-Taiwan issue, gas prices in Europe, fuel prices in Europe, whether it is petrol, gas or diesel, everything is high. In spite of all this, markets are going higher, means really it is a great thing. And there is a conspiracy theory that that bubble may burst. What bubble means? Market may come on the downside. That's what people say. We really don't know whether that is true or not, whether it is coming down or not. Maybe the world markets will come, but I don't think our markets will come on the downside, because our markets are super resilient. No matter what happens, it doesn't want to come down, right? So today's price action was particularly based on Bank of Baroda, Bank Nifty. If you have noted the price action before European markets opened, if you see the chart, before European markets had opened, both Nifty and Bank Nifty was on the downside, right? Even though Bank Nifty was coming on the downside, Nifty was really very bad. It was because of Nifty, Bank Nifty was dragged. Otherwise, Bank Nifty today morning itself would have crossed above 41,800. Now, there is a very brief, or there is a belief that this 41,500 will act as a good resistance, a good support. Earlier, now yesterday I'm saying about yesterday. Yesterday's market, people were saying 41,500 was a very, very strong resistance. Now, since that 41,500 is gone, we have to assume that 41,500 will be a good resistance. Now the same resistance has gone into a support, right? Now, if you see this on a daily chart perspective, if you see this price action on a daily chart perspective, if you see here, there is a formation of doji pattern. You know what is doji pattern? Cross, right? Cross symbol. Now what does that mean? What is the doji pattern? Or this is a shooting star. They will say this is a shooting star. And if you see the Nifty chart, they say this is a doji pattern. Now what does that mean is Nifty is undecisive whether it wants to go high or not. It is thinking, or it is undecisive. It doesn't really know whether bears or bulls. They really don't know whether the bulls don't know whether to take the market on the higher side, or bears don't know whether to bring it on the lower side. So there is an undecisiveness in the Bank Nifty, Nifty. When we will know whether the market is going higher or the market is going down is purely based on US market. As I talk to you, US markets are all in the green. In fact, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. We also have some trade. We also had some iron fly, which we took around 2 or 2:30 just to capture the theta decay, because tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a Guru Nanak Jayanti. So tomorrow is a holiday. We thought we will capture the theta decay, but markets were moving violently, or markets were moving on the higher side, so we have to do some adjustment, or we have to turn that iron fly into a directional strategy. And same thing is happening in Bank Nifty also. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty are undecisive, and we will have to wait and see whether Bank Nifty is going higher or it is going to come down. Anyway, today morning also I told in our live session that there is a formation of divergence. Now this is the higher high, higher low, and higher low, right? Lower high or whatsoever. But if you see the price action in Bank Nifty, it is almost at the same level, but there is a divergence in RSI. So this is a very, very important thing we will have to notice. Whether the market wants to go up or wants to come down will be decided on US futures, or whether the global market, we are getting good support from global market. I think Bank Nifty is almost at lifetime high, and Nifty is almost 400 or 500 points from lifetime high. That is, this is not Bank Nifty, this is Nifty. So yeah, if you see here, this is the daily chart. Yeah, it is almost 400 points. Lifetime high in Nifty is around 18,600, and coming soon, maybe in 1 or 2 trading session, or even in 1 week, or maybe even this November series, we may go above 18,600. Open interest wise also, today morning I was talking with our live session, people were saying 18,500, not 18,500, sorry, 41,500. Bank Nifty 41,500 had a huge open interest. So I was saying that if there is any strike with high open interest, that strike is likely to be taken out, and that is what has happened. 14,500 people had to run for cover. And you know what happened? We closed somewhere around 41,600. 41,500 people had to run for cover, and 41,700. We are sitting somewhere around 41,700. And you know what is going to happen? Obviously, 41,500 is having the highest open interest, which means 41,500 will act as a support for coming days. And in terms of Bank Nifty, I think 18,000 will act as a support. That is what is happening. People have written aggressive calls all the way from 18,000, 18,100, 18,000, even 18,200 aggressive calls are being written. So ultimately 18,000 is having the highest put open interest, which means 18,000 can act as a good support. Now, the likelihood of breaking this level, we really don't know. That's what I told. We will have to wait when the market opens on Wednesday, and we will have to see what is going to happen, right? So as of now, I have non-directional strategies only. We have changed from non-directional to directional today because markets were bullish. We turned delta positive. We'll see how things pan out. If the market gaps up, or if the market opens on the higher side, we will be safe. In case if the market closes, goes below also, we'll be safe till 41,000. We have more quantity in Bank Nifty than Nifty, right? So we'll see how things pan out. I think I have summarized this thing. I think it is everything. I think it is not the good time to go short in the market. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.